Do you spend all night trying to get comfortable? Your knees rub bone on bone. Your back and hips ache. You wake up in pain. Now, from the sleep experts at Contour Products, you can experience soothing comfort and relief night after night with the Legacy Pillow. The only orthopedic tapered leg pillow that naturally fits the contours of your body to instantly align your spine and help alleviate pain. Watch. When you sleep on your side, your leg falls forward, twisting your pelvis and lower back, putting pressure on your spine, hips, and sciatic. But the Contour Legacy Pillow cushions your knees and cradles your legs, relieving stress on your back, hips, and knees, while restoring your lower back alignment.
Sleeping on your side, your leg comes over and crosses and puts you out of alignment, causing low back pain, hip pain, even knee pain. By using the Contour Legacy Pillow, it restores the natural alignment of the spine, helping to alleviate pain and pressure, leading to a much more restful sleep.
Ordinary pillows go flat. Old-fashioned leg pillows are bulky, fall out, and catch on sheets, but the Legacy Pillow is 5 times better. Its curved edges glide easily under sheets, while the sleek crescent shape fits both a man and woman perfectly. It's longer in length to fully support your legs and knees, and easily allows you to bend your knees. You can even use 2 together with a special cover for full body comfort. Made from a soft memory foam, it's exclusively ventilated to always stay cool and dry, and the cover is machine washable.